Have you ever wondered what our lives would be like without furniture? Furniture is an essential part of our lives. It is not only functional but also adds to the aesthetics of our homes and workplaces. From a comfortable sofa to a sturdy dining table, furniture plays a crucial role in enhancing the quality of our lives. One of the most significant benefits of furniture is its functionality. We need furniture to sit, sleep, eat, work, store our belongings, and more. Without furniture, our homes and workplaces would be incomplete and uncomfortable. Furniture provides us with a sense of comfort, convenience, and organization. For most people, getting the furniture they like to have at a reasonable price is often a challenge. The solution to that is to go for budget-friendly furniture pieces which would still provide us the required function at a reasonable price. Another best way of making furniture affordable is to make them yourself as DIY woodworking projects. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of affordable DIY wood furniture ideas for your home, office, and patio. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Furniture has the ability to reflect our personal style and taste. Our choice of furniture can say a lot about our personality and preferences. Whether we prefer a minimalist design or a more eclectic look, furniture allows us to express ourselves and create a space that feels like home. Furthermore, furniture can have a significant impact on our health and well-being. For instance, a comfortable mattress can improve our sleep quality, while an ergonomic chair can help prevent back pain and other posture-related issues. Additionally, furniture can create a sense of calm and relaxation in our homes, which can reduce stress and promote mental well-being. In addition to its functional and aesthetic benefits, furniture also plays an important role in our social lives. Our homes and workplaces are often the gathering places for family, friends, and colleagues. Furniture provides us with a comfortable and inviting space to host guests, share meals, hold meetings, and more. It helps us create memories and build relationships with those around us. Moreover, furniture is not just limited to our homes and workplaces. It also plays a vital role in public spaces such as parks, museums, and restaurants. Public furniture provides people with a place to rest, relax, and socialize while enjoying the outdoors or cultural experiences. Furniture has evolved over time, with new materials, designs, and technologies being introduced to improve its functionality and durability. For instance, modern furniture is often designed to be space-saving, eco-friendly, and easy to assemble and disassemble. Furniture also plays a significant role in the economy. The industry provides jobs for millions of people worldwide and contributes to the growth of many economies. Moreover, furniture has cultural significance, with different regions and countries having their unique styles and designs. For instance, Scandinavian furniture is known for its simplicity and functionality, while Italian furniture is known for its luxury and elegance. Lastly, furniture has a significant environmental impact, with the production and disposal of furniture contributing to pollution and waste. However, sustainable furniture options are becoming increasingly popular, with eco-friendly materials and production methods being used to reduce the industry's carbon footprint. In general, furniture is more than just a functional item in our lives. It has social, cultural, economic, and environmental significance, making it an essential part of our world. Furniture provides us with functionality, comfort, organization, aesthetics, and social connections. Whether we are at home, work, or in public spaces, furniture is there to enhance our experiences and improve our quality of life. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked affordable DIY wood furniture ideas for your home, office, and patio. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.